If you are planning to buy a new tablet right now, you are walking into a massive trap. Apple is preparing to launch a new device that makes their most expensive phones look like overpriced relics from the past. The upcoming iPad 12th generation is not just a small refresh or a minor update. It is a total reboot of everything we know about the iPad. Apple is finally killing the old idea of a budget tablet and replacing it with a sleeper powerhouse that will dominate the tech market for years to come. We are talking about pro-level performance at a price that seems almost impossible to believe. This is the first time the entry-level iPad will be more than just a simple screen for watching Netflix. It is becoming a beast that could actually replace your laptop and your phone for most of your daily tasks. If you want to save hundreds of dollars and get more power than ever before, you need to hear this. The rules of the game are changing, and the iPad 12 is the one holding all the cards. For over a decade, the base model iPad followed a very boring and predictable formula. Apple would give it an old chip, tiny amounts of memory, and just enough features to keep it selling to schools and casual users. They kept the good stuff for the pro models. However, that era is officially over. The old strategy is dead because of one major thing: artificial intelligence. The iPad 12 is expected to jump straight to the A18 chip. This is not just a fast processor. It is the engine built specifically for Apple Intelligence. But the real secret to this power is the memory. For the first time in history, the base model is moving from 6 GB to 8 GB of RAM. In the world of AI, memory is actually more important than raw speed. Without 8 GB of RAM, those smart features simply cannot run at all. This forces Apple to give their cheapest iPad the exact same brain as their flagship devices. You are getting the keys to the kingdom for a tiny fraction of the cost. This jump in memory changes everything for the user. It means better multitasking, zero lag, and a device that will not feel slow in 2 or 3 years. This is a massive shift in the identity of the product. The iPad is finally growing up and becoming a serious tool. Now, let's get real about the look and feel of this new device. If you are looking for a super thin, futuristic design with no borders, you might be a little disappointed. Apple is playing a very smart and calculated game here. To keep the price low while putting a high-end engine inside, they are keeping the old body design. The iPad 12 will use the same chassis as the iPad 10. This means you get the 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display and the landscape-oriented front camera, which is great for video calls. There is no old screen here. There are no ultra-thin bezels like you see on the Pro models. Some people will say this is a mistake, but it is actually a gift to your wallet. Apple is spending the money where it truly matters, on the inside components. This is what we call a sleeper tablet. It looks modest and standard on the outside, but it has the internal power to crush any heavy task you throw at it. By reusing the older design, Apple can afford to give you that A18 chip and 8 GB of RAM without charging you $1,000. It is a trade-off that every smart buyer should accept immediately. You're paying for a long-term investment in performance, not just a pretty toy that looks nice on a desk. Let's talk about the price, because this is where the strategy gets really interesting for your bank account. The current iPad starts at around $329. The new iPad 12 is expected to hit the shelves at $349. Yes, it is a $20 increase. But the value you are getting has basically tripled. We're no longer buying a short-term device that struggles with new software updates. You are buying a powerhouse that can realistically last you 6 or 7 years without slowing down. But here is a professional tip for those who want the best deal. Do not buy this device on the very first day it comes out, if you can wait until the 2026 holiday season or Black Friday sales. The price will likely drop down to $299. Imagine getting a brand new ready A18-powered machine for under $300. That is arguably the best tech deal of the entire century. Most people will rush out to buy the newest iPhone, but the smart money is waiting for this specific tablet. The launch window for this device has also shifted. Early rumors suggested we might see a spring release, but that is no longer the case. Apple wants to make sure their AI software is absolutely perfect before this hits the masses. You should expect a major announcement in September or October of 2026. This timing is perfect for the market. It ensures that the hardware and the software are perfectly synced up for the best user experience. If you have an old iPad that is starting to stutter, or if you are tired of your phone screen being too small for work, just wait a little longer. The jump from any older iPad to the 12th generation will feel like moving from an old floppy disk to a modern cloud drive. It is that big of a leap in technology, in my honest opinion. iPad 12 is going to be the most important product. Apple releases in 2026. They are finally giving the everyday user the true power of a pro device. You do not need to spend $1,000 to get a future-proof device anymore. The combination of the A18 chip and the 8 GB of RAM makes this a total no-brainer purchase for students, creators, and even professionals working on a budget. It marks the end of the cheap iPad and the beginning of the powerful iPad for everyone. If you care about actual performance over fashion, this is definitely your next device. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.